Good evening, everybody. It is a beautiful time of day here out in Brookhaven. This is Cantonment, Florida, and we are at 3493 Blaney Drive. Again, this is the Brookhaven subdivision, and it is just beautifully quiet out here. Lovely homes. So I can't wait to take you guys inside. We're gonna have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and just over 1,800 square feet. So this is a 2020 build. So you've got 4 years on your roof, your HVAC, your water heater, all that good stuff, and on the house as a whole. So let's not waste any time. As you can see, we walked right through the foyer. We've got these beautiful LVP floors throughout. It is a grayish tone, so it really does lighten up your living space. This is going to be the kitchen and living area, but before we get into here, I did want to show you our first bedroom here. So you are going to have a double window with a front yard view there. We do have 2 pull doors for your closet space here. And in all honesty, if you didn't need 4 bedrooms, I think that this bedroom would be best suited as an office space, if that is something you are looking to add. If not, it could make an incredible guest bedroom or extra bed for whoever needs it. Carpeted floors in that bedroom as well. And here we are out into the main living space. So let's go ahead and start with the kitchen amenities. So we do have stainless steel appliances. As you can see, that's a Whirlpool double door fridge and freezer with the ice maker and water dispenser there. We do have a pantry right on the left-hand side. Those wire rack shelving. This island does have drawer and cabinet space in it with those beautiful brown accented granite countertops. You can see you get a double or double-sided stainless steel undermount sink, built-in microwave, and electric smooth top stove and oven combo. So all the good amenities here. And these cabinets are beautiful. They're like a washed chocolate brown. So I think that's very nice, not just your stark white that you're used to seeing. That light fixture here would obviously hang over what could be a dining space or a breakfast little bar area, but your island is deep enough on this side to fit maybe 3 bar stools, so that's additional seating as well. You do have a slight vaulted or plateau cathedral ceiling in here, so it does bring a little bit of height to this living space, which I love. And this is going to be where your living room would be. So TV mount is already there and ready for you guys. And here is a look from your door that will take you out to your screened in patio. So that is screened in. We will take you guys out there at the very end. You do have a partial privacy fence out there, which is nice. You would only have to extend one side, and I'll show you that when we wrap up. Okay, let's go ahead and continue on to the primary suite here. So you do have a split window. It's going to be just off the living room. You have a walk-in closet, a spacious walk-in closet. Entry in the bedroom itself. So you have some shorter wire racks here, and then you've got one on top that goes all the way around. Carpeted floors in the bedroom and closet, and then that same LVP that's out in the main living space is going to flow into the bathroom. So granite and the stain of these cabinets are also going to match what is seen in the kitchen. So you have a double vanity here. Very nice vanity lighting. You get that small partition wall for privacy at the commode. And then you are going to have a shower only in here. Nice size shower head. And those built-ins do have little cubbies for storage. So it's great. All right. So now we're going to track back to the front of the house, and in this little alcove we're going to have our last 2 bedrooms and our final full bathroom. So first to my right, I'm going to come to the laundry room. So this is where your washer and dryer hookups are going to be in here. You do have the wire shelving up above for your cleaning supplies, detergents, all that good stuff. And then you also do have a little hanger here. I personally love this because it's basically building out a mud closet for you, or a mudroom for you, so you can hang up all your jackets or muddy shoes when you come in from the garage here. So this is going to be a 2-car garage, front entrance, and your water heater is also going to be out here as well. Perfect. All right. And just across the way is going to be our second and final full bathroom here. Same thing, this one is going to actually be a tub shower duo, but you still get the same little inserts for storage. You have your commode, and then it's going to be a single vanity with the same stain and granite as the kitchen. Wonderful. And last but not least, we have our 2 final bedrooms. So here we are in the first one to my right. You are going to have a side yard view here. And again, keeping theme to the room that was in the front of the house, the first one that we looked at, you are going to have those pull doors for your closet. Carpeted floors in all the bedrooms, and then LVP everywhere else. This is going to be our final bedroom here, side yard view as well. And again, same matching pull doors for your closet space. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take you guys out to our screened-in porch, and that should wrap for this video. Okay, and here we are coming out to this beautiful screened-in porch. Like I said, you do have a privacy fence along 2 of the 3 sides. So that is where your privacy fence is going to end, but that's an easy extender if you wanted to keep going with the wraparound and enclose your yard here. But this is very nice. You could absolutely, it's large enough to put a couch out here or a few chairs and a table. And taking you guys outside, I'll show you around the edge here. All right. So yes, as you can see, it is completely open on this side. So if you wanted to finish it out, you would need to extend from the fence here. But your backside is all fenced in. And I do believe it continues around on this side as well. Let's take a look. Maybe not. Oh, nope. Okay, so you would need to go across this way too to make sure that you're completely fenced in. So I would say if you do have pets or children, or in all honesty, if you just want the privacy fence all the way around, that would be something worth looking into for sure. But if you don't mind it, then there we go. We're already set up for you. Alrighty, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful home in the Brookhaven subdivision, and we would absolutely love for you guys to come check this one out.